Good day, learners. I go by the name of katlego manganye, which today I'm gonna demonstrate to you how to make your own articulated arm using recyclable materials.
Yeah.
So we're gonna do a project where at the end you'll be having the same arm where you are able to pick up everything using this old materials. So what we're gonna need is a small wood glue, a knife, a scissor, two tops of caps for 2-liter Coke, old ice cream sticks, and which I've got a few pins from my old board where it's no more used. So what we're gonna do first is we need to take our bottles, which this you need an adult to help you with because it's a sharp knife. You need to cut open a bit, maybe something like 2 centimeters open for where you can fit the sticks for your arms. Where at the end after cutting it has to be like this. So which both of them has to be like this, open like this. And then afterwards I painted my sticks already because it was done. I just wanted to check and preview, so I painted it and then disconnected it out after. So where you need to take your sticks and cut small, maybe 2 pieces small for you to create your arms to hold it. So which I'm gonna cut 1 and 2 of them, where I have to glue them together. After gluing them together, it's gonna be something like this for your front arms to hold. Right? Where I'll put it down here from my front arms. Then from there I'll take 2 of my back arms, put it install it where I cutted my pieces of the lids or the tops. I don't know what you call it. It's gonna be 2 of them. Sorry, just to be 2 of them. So here it is. It's 2 of them. So it's gonna be like this for your arms. And then first thing first, it has to be X. Create X everywhere. Create X everywhere. Putting your pins till you use the hands to hold at the end. So this is gonna be my first X. So I'm gonna measure it. It has to be together. So that's what I'm gonna do. Take my pin. Needs a bit power. You need to eat more complete. So drill it through, drill it through, drill it through. So yeah, this is gonna be my first scissor size. So it's gonna be something like a scissor. This is gonna be my first scissor size. You see? So everything is through. I used my pin is through. So I'm gonna take my another one. So it's gonna be an X. It has to be an X. Everywhere you create, it's an X. X, X, X mark the spot. So I'm gonna put it together. I have to drill it together. Just be careful that pins don't go through your hands, né? Just be careful because it's a bit sharp. So I'm gonna continue with it. So yeah, as I was busy with my X's and stuff, so far it's like this. See, it's coming together. So far it's like this, it's coming together. It was first my 2 legs in, my first X, and you need 1 in the middle just to make it stronger so that it doesn't break, and then the other 2 ends and the 1 in the middle. So I'm just gonna add another X again. It's gonna be an X. It's gonna be 2 here and 1 in the middle. Which one is the last one with my arms? So let's just do it together here. So it's gonna be, let's put it down. It's gonna be an X. So which means it needs to be like this. So I'm gonna start with this one first. So here I'm gonna put the pin through. Okay, here we go. This is my first pin in. It depends. So I think it's better for you to do a short one so that it has more strong. It's more stronger to pick up anything rather than having a longer one, which a longer one is going to be a problem for you to pick up an object because due to the factor of stability and strongness. So I'm going to take my last pin and put it in the middle so it's more stable and more strong. So here we go. Yeah, I did it the wrong way. That's one part that's a bit tricky. This one arm that's facing to your right hand side has to be in the bottom. So you're gonna put it in the bottom. And this one has to be in the top, because where you're gonna adjust here so that it's able to pick up something. But if you put it under, it will not function, or you won't be able to pick up. So it has to be on the top. So this part has to be the opposite side of the other hand, facing your left hand side. So I'm gonna put this one inside here, the pin here, and then just finish it up with a bit more stability in the middle, so that it's able to pick up an object. So here's it here. So at the end, this is my final product. So where everything is in the middle. Here's the work. So it's not that strong, because I think that the shorter you make it, the more stronger it is. The longer you make it, the weaker it is, because here in the middle needs more strong stuff, or maybe it's because of my material. But at the end, I'm able to pick up an object. Any object that I want to pick up is able to pick up any object. And put it down, pick up any object. So thank you very much. Here's my final object now. I even did this one using old cardboard and what do you call it again? This thing's for the toilet, the pipes, old toilet pipes. Yeah, and this one is able to pick up even bigger stuff, because it has more. This material is more stronger than the material that I used. Thank you very much. Stop at that.